By injecting a rice-sized microchip into a willing employee's hand, all kinds of data can be programmed into them, from driver's licenses and medical ID cards to logging onto computers.
You know, sadly, not everybody believes what the Bible has to say, and typically they will use any excuse regardless of how many truths the Bible has in it. Did you know that there are about 2,500 Bible prophecies that appear in the Bible? And the crazy thing about it, 2,000 of them have already been fulfilled to the letter with no error. So for those of you who know better and whose eyes have been opened, can you see how this technology that is hitting the market right now will actually be utilized during the time of the Antichrist? The Bible warns us in Revelation chapter 13, verses 16 to 18, and it says, "And the second beast will require all people, small and great, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive a mark on their right hand or on their forehead, so that no one could buy or sell anything unless he had the mark."
You have to hold it up to something such as this.
Even purchasing snacks in the company break room.
Now, I truly believe this chip technology is something different than the actual mark that's talked about in the Bible. But I do believe that they're gonna work hand in hand somehow. Not sure how. I believe the mark will have to be something instantly visible, that people can recognize immediately, and the chip wouldn't be instantly visible.
More than 50 employees have volunteered.
How much did that hurt? Didn't really hurt a lot.
Did you hear that? More than 50 people volunteered.
A third holding off for now.
That kind of freaks me out a little bit.
The Bible tells us in 2 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 11, not to be ignorant of Satan's devices or his schemes.
The concerns: ID theft, health, and whether the chips can be tracked by GPS.
Most people don't really understand how this technology works, what data is collected, how it's stored, or who might be able to get access to it legally or illegally.
That Satan has already deceived so many of us. I mean, we can't even see that his schemes are right in our faces, right in our homes, and right smack in the middle of our lives. Just listen to what this lady had to say.
Right now, it's only to buy a candy bar and get in our building.
I'm getting this chip to buy a candy bar or to get into our building. Wake up, lady.